What the fuck kind of laugh is that? That was a really good one. There was one. There's more. It's stuck. It's bad. It's all down there. Here's another one. I think I got more. Oh God, it's stuck. That was a good one. Oh, it's stuck. It's right there. Look at me. Oh, that was a good one. It hurts. It's stuck. I'm gonna like throw up if I keep pushing too hard. Fuck. I pushed some more down. Now I gotta bring it back out. Oh my goodness. I got more, but I don't feel like pushing right now. Ooh.
It's so good. I'm gonna.
Ooh, that was a good one. Excuse me. I was holding that one in. Whew. I think I'm gonna burp again. Oh, fuck. If it wasn't stuck, I was gonna try a word.